stopping by my channel. So today's video, we're going to do an unboxing on something that I had sent to me from the art company Meeden. If you're not familiar with them, they specialize mostly in paints, easels. I was familiar with the name, so I was pretty excited. So I picked out this artist tabletop easel sketchbox. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It is bigger than something I would normally show you guys, so it's kind of a little bit awkward here filming. I'm trying to get as much of it in frame as possible here. So this is how it came. I think they ship from like an Amazon warehouse, probably. Maybe not every single product, but I think this one in particular did ship from Amazon. I do mostly coloring, and I show you mostly colored pencils, markers, that sort of thing. So I was a little bit like, should I? I'm not really great at painting, so when I checked out the furniture section of their website, I was like, I saw this, I was like, oh, that would be really great for someone like me who likes to color or draw even, or paint. You know, it could be a lot of multimedia things you could hold in this tabletop easel set, I thought. So what I thought I was going to use it for, oops, so I have it upside down. It's upside down. I thought it'd be really cool to store some pencils in the drawers. There's 3 drawers here, and they do lock. It's locked. It locks back here in the back. So you can, I forget what this is called. It's called something when it's you can stagger the little easel board here. So that's really cool. So you could angle it however you need it to be angled for, say, a video. If we're doing a video, maybe we can use it for that. And it has this nice little lip on the end here with the brand name on here. And I'm gonna switch camera angles so we can get a better view at the front. Feeling kind of fancy. I just got this new camera holder that goes around my neck, so I'm trying to be very still not to make this super shaky. So I'm gonna try my best, but I wanted to get a view of this from the front, and from the sides it has this really nice handle. I think in the description it says this is a leather handle. I don't know if it is real leather, but it says leather in the description, and it feels very nice. Could be leather. And it has 3 locks on each side here. Nice and secure. Let's open up the drawers. The other side here. The top drawer has some dividers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 dividers. Same thing in the second drawer. And then the bottom drawer is nice. It's no dividers. I was thinking about putting maybe a coloring book in here, and then my coloring supplies in these top 2 drawers. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to fill this up, and then I'll show you how it looks with everything inside. Okay guys, so check this out. I had an idea after I filmed that first part of the video, and I was like, what if I decorate this somehow or paint it even? Well, I went on Amazon and I looked through all their peel and stick wallpaper, and I ended up ordering this one mainly because it was pretty cheap. It was like about $15 for this whole roll of peel and stick wallpaper, and it was able to be delivered the next day. So I was like, all right, let's pick that one. I thought it looked kind of cool. It's black background with kind of foresty plants, but then it looks a little quirky with the birds, and it kind of gave me White Lotus vibes. If you've ever seen that show, how they begin, the opening credits is always like kind of focused on that rich people looking wallpaper. I already did this one drawer. I'm gonna put this peel and stick wallpaper in in the drawers. Hopefully it'll work out okay with these dividers. And on the back panels over here, maybe I might paint this even black. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I'm a little too, getting a little too ahead of myself. Okay guys, so I ended up turning my unboxing into basically an arts and crafts project for something that's going to be holding my art supplies for making arts and crafts. But everything that I painted black on here is actually from an acrylic black paint marker. So I think the drawers came out pretty good. Any place where I kind of made a mistake and the paper ripped, I kind of just scribbled in with the acrylic marker, just so you didn't see any spots. But I think it came out pretty good for not measuring anything and just kind of going, winging it. So I'm pretty happy with how it came out, and I added the washi tape to the front of the drawers as well, and acrylic black paint pen to the handles. I did put some Mod Podge around here, which I think I'm going to have to do that to the drawers as well, just so it doesn't peel off with wear and tear and everything. So I know most of the work went to inside the drawers where I'm going to be putting stuff on top of it, but I don't know, it makes me happy to know that it's decorated on the inside. I'm going to put some art supplies in here. Finally, I'm going to get around to the art supplies part. So let's see how much stuff I can fit in here. So I filled up the drawers. And, I'm from New Jersey. I have a tough time with that word without having an accent, drawers. But I filled up the drawers and I was able to fill them up pretty well with a lot of stuff. And you see here, if I can, maybe I have to push it back a little bit. I have some paint pens. I put some opal paints in case I want to do some fairy wings or some mermaid stuff. Some stumps, erasers. I have some blending pens, pencils, and paintbrushes and pastel brushes, and all my clips. I'm always losing my clips that I clip down my papers and my books with. And then the bottom drawer, I was able to fit a whole coloring book in here. Was able to fit this Hannah Carlson coloring book, as well as a ruler. I have my electric erasers down here, And I even was able to fit a clipboard in here and some printer paper, cardstock, for when I want to print out a PDF. So I think it's pretty practical. And for travel, or if you want to just travel from one room to the other or to your bed, I think this might be nice. It's a little bit heavy with the stuff in it. I think without anything in it, it's about 6.5 pounds. Okay, so let's grab our book and see how it will work out if we want to do some coloring with this easel box here. Let's just pick a page that I've colored before. That's why I have my clips to hold the book in place. So I think it will work out really great. And maybe we'll even do some videos using it and coloring a page. If you guys are interested in this tabletop easel, I will have the link for it down below. It's available on the Meeden website as well as Amazon. If you purchase it through the Meeden website, you can use my affiliate code COLOR10 and get 10% off your purchase. It doesn't necessarily even have to be this item. It could be anything on the website. And it's $54.95, I think, at the moment. So if you have any questions for me, definitely let me know down below. And if you've ever used any Meeden products yourself, let me know how you like them. And I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you guys next time.